I'm Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. And oftentimes our estimators are asked, can you install my water main or my sewer line under my front stoop or my front steps? Typically, yes. In fact, many water mains and sewer lines in the New York City area are installed this way. In order for this to be done, a very small tunnel is made by using pressurized air and then snaking the piping through. Now you may ask, is this going to disturb the structural integrity of my stoop? In short, no. The tunnel is very small and it shouldn't disturb a structurally sound stoop. Now with that, there are some cases where a stoop is not structurally sound. And while on site giving you an in-person estimate, one of our estimators may see that and suggest a different course of action for your water main or your sewer line to be installed. As well as if you are aware of any structural issues with your stoop or your step, it's critical that you advise one of our estimators of these issues, again, so we could direct you the right way to get the services, your water main or your sewer line installed. Again, issues with tunneling under your stoop or your steps is rare, and the process is typically very safe. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to discuss them with your estimator. Thank you.